Good evening, everybody. This is Crypto Steve, and I'm here again to give you some live content and some real great content on how to take your Univals on Karatbit and buy ETH, Ethereum, to claim your 35% bonus. It's real simple. The extra added tabs with Univals on them, the Unival slash BTC, Unival slash USD Unival slash KBC Unival slash um, KCB is all a great tool that we have. This is bananas. You have an excellent uh, exchange platform that's doing to be able to do everything back and go. So that's phenomenal. So real quick disclaimer, I am not a CPA, nor am I a financial advisor, nor am I advising you on any information. I'm only here to share with you what I do, how I buy, trade, and sell on cryptocurrency and Bitcoin and any other exchange or platform, Karatbit being the main platform. So I'm here to give you that content, and it's again, it's all on how I buy, trade, and sell. Okay, perfect. Let me go ahead and share my screen, and then we're gonna dive right on in some content. I'm gonna be real quick and concise tonight. I'm not gonna spend a lot of time because I got you guys. I want to show you guys some valuable information, but I want you guys to understand that you keep looking at it, you're gonna learn it. It's gonna be real quick, fast, and good. So here I want you to see that if you're gonna buy Univals, you know the way. You go here, you put in however many Univals you want to put in, a gram. You hit deposit, the window gonna pop up. You're gonna have to log into your Current Pay and walk through the process of purchasing the Univals. Once you've done that, your Univals gonna show up right here. Uh, there go my Univals, my 10. I had 5 in there, and it cost me a little bit to buy, but that's cool. So after I go here, I have a point of a Ethereum here, but I want to go here to the market. I'm going to click on Unival slash ETC, which is Ethereum. And normally you will go here to buy Ethereum, right? With Univals, right? Or exchange your Ethereum for Univals. So here it's just the total opposite because I don't have no Ethereum here. Um, you see here. I'm sorry. I'm on the. I just had to go through that. But look, right here, you're gonna click last. I'm gonna click market, and then that's the last price Ethereum is going for. I'm gonna click max. How much? Well, I don't wanna spend my whole $14.99. I only want to spend $5 on Ethereum, and so I mean, not $5. That was 14 Univals. I'm sorry, about 60 some dollars. I only want to spend 5 tenths, which is 5 Univals on Ethereum, right? Which is about $25. So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna put in how many Univals that I want to buy Ethereum with, and I'm gonna click sell. My order's been placed. Now I do want you guys to see here I have, oh man, I might. Did you guys seen early? Let me click here, then hopefully it won't show up. Might show up already. Yep. So you see, my Ethereum showed up. If you notice earlier, I didn't have any. I only had a point, but here you go, my Ethereum. Now I can go here and walk through the process of withdrawing it to my address and claiming a 35% bonus. Hey, that's an excellent way of how to claim the 35 bonus. Buy Ethereum for gas to claim the 35% bonus. I must say. So that's it. That's how you do it. And I am excited to show you guys how to do it and what the plans that Mr. Hurl Sites and his team here at Curry Bars, what they have for us. So again, Crypto Steve, glad you was able to watch. Glad I could be a help, and look for more content. I'm gonna show you guys a little tip on how to make some money real soon. It's coming up soon. Thank you again, Crypto Steve, and I'm out.